Hey everyone, and welcome to another edition of The Explainer. Today we're unpacking a massive, fundamental shift happening right now in healthcare. We're talking about the incredible convergence of artificial intelligence and personal health. We'll be using some really fascinating insights from Future Tech Insider to guide us today. It's super exciting stuff, so let's jump right in.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if your medicine was designed just for you? It's a huge question, right? Because it completely flips the traditional one-size-fits-all medical model right on its head. For generations, treatments have been developed for the statistical average. It basically leaves patients just crossing their fingers and hoping they fall somewhere inside that normal bell curve. But now, I want you to imagine a reality where your treatment is tailored exactly to your unique individual biological makeup.
Section 1. Medicine designed for you. Just visualize being a patient receiving medicine from your doctor. But instead of the usual generic prescription, it's reimagined as a highly individualized, entirely bespoke experience.
Section 2. How AI analyzes data. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how AI actually steps up to serve as the core analytical engine behind this entire medical revolution.
You see, to move from generic care to hyper-personalized care, we need some serious processing power. Human doctors are absolutely brilliant, obviously, but personalizing medicine for billions of people, that requires a computational capability way, way beyond human capacity. And that is exactly where AI steps in. AI cross-references these deeply personal inputs, starting right down at the foundation with your genes, your genomic sequencing, to understand your fundamental biological blueprint. Then, it layers in your long-term health records. And finally, it factors in your comprehensive medical history. It tracks historical reactions to drugs, past illnesses, literally the whole shebang. AI synthesizes these massive, wildly complex data sets almost instantly to form an unparalleled, highly predictive model of your biology. So how does this actually play out in practice? Well, it completely redefines the traditional medical workflow into two main steps. Step 1. Researchers leverage AI to parse massive data sets, identifying highly specific patient treatment interactions that would otherwise just remain totally hidden. It's basically like finding a needle in a digital haystack. Then comes step 2. Armed with those predictive models, frontline doctors use those AI insights to support their final treatment decisions. So the AI definitely doesn't replace the physician. Actually, scratch that. It's more like it empowers them, giving them the exact insights they need to map out a truly bespoke treatment path for you.
Section 3. The future of precision. Let's move to Motoraba As and see how this builds toward the incredible future trajectory of this medical technology.
Because here's the thing. Personalized medicine is growing fast. Really fast. By harnessing AI's immense processing power, we're rapidly approaching a reality where we could completely eliminate that grueling, often physically exhausting trial and error process of prescribing medication. You know the drill. Try this for 2 weeks, see if it works, and if not, we'll try something else. We are moving away from those broad strokes and instead maximizing treatment efficacy from day one. AI is literally turning these hyper-precise, targeted treatments from a theoretical concept into a very real standard of care for the near future.
Which leaves us with a really profound question at this wild intersection of biology and technology. Would you trust AI to help choose your treatment? As this tech scales up and becomes fully integrated into our healthcare systems, it's an answer every single one of us will need to figure out for ourselves. If you want to keep exploring these amazing medical tech stories with us, be sure to follow Future Tech Insider. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.